So I successfully found and corrected my vacuum leaks with Pat with sticky tack. Check it out. There's Pat. Had some vacuum leaks around the throttle bodies, which I fixed with sticky tack.
Sticky tack, it's not just for hanging posters anymore.
Yeah, get some light over. And effectively reduce the loud, extremely loud whistle. And stabilize the idle. Good idea, Pat. Wave to the camera.
Disclaimer, this should not be taken as a permanent solution. It's just to shut it up until Fumbles McStupid here can pull the throttle bodies and get the rest of the old gasket off.
I wish I would have had a video of it before with the whistle.
Okay, you want to hear the whistle?
No, no.
I can bring the whistle back.
No.
No? Okay. Push.
I also went from 10 pounds of vacuum to 17.